Starting in 2020, veterans may be eligible to buy larger homes in pricier communities, still without any down payment whatsoever. Woo! For a second there, I thought 11,742 veterans are going homeless today. It just made myself sad.
Aww.
Happy Friday Eve, everyone, or as the normies like to call it, Thursday. Everyone is working for the weekends. And speaking of the weekends, every Saturday we go live, and here to explain, Chris Noon.
That's right, guys. We go live every Saturday to answer any and all of your questions when it comes to real estate and business.
Good job, Chris.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah, back into your shoebox. All right, when it comes to financing a home, there are a few different ways of going about it. Most common way is obtaining a conventional loan through a traditional lender. Or you could obtain a government issued or backed loan either through the Federal Housing Administration or the Department of Agriculture. My dream was to always farm the land like my ancestors. Oh yeah? What did your ancestors used to farm? Marijuana. Well, there's actually another loan out there that's only available to a few select people who have served in the military, the VA loan. Up until now, there's been some caps on how much you can actually borrow using a VA loan. Not anymore, the sky is the limit. The Blue Water Navy Veterans Act of 2019 removed those caps for the new year, but military members on active duty and veterans will still need to qualify for a mortgage and verify that they can actually afford monthly payments. All right, so the main issue with VA loans is that they have been capped different amounts nationwide. Borrowers could take out more money on a VA loan in a higher priced area like San Francisco, for example, than they could in Detroit, where homes tend to, cost less. Now, the veteran, if they exceeded the set limits in the city where they lived, they were required to put 25% down of the difference on a mortgage. If they stayed within the loan limits, they could put down 0% on a VA loan. All right, if you're a veteran and you're thinking about taking advantage of these no limits VA programs, keep in mind that under the new rules, vets can get any loan amount via the VA that can be independently qualified to receive through the banks that still put some restrictions to protect themselves against default. For example, some lenders may require higher credit scores or debt to income ratios to qualify for loans. The loans likely apply only to borrowers' primary residence too. All right, so what do you guys think? Are you a vet thinking about taking advantage of the VA program, 0% down, or have you done so in the past? Go ahead and leave your stories or your comments down below. And if you're thinking about buying a house, keep in mind we have the Heroes Initiative program for all veterans and active retired military, all that good stuff. I will give you 20% of my commission to go towards your closing costs and your prepaids. So don't you dare go with anyone else. Let the Rockstar team get you home. The Blue Water Navy's Veteran Act of 2019. The Blue Water's Navy Act of 2019.